Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo S60 gas cap. First, locate the fuel door, which is always found on the rear passenger side of your vehicle. Before you can open it, make sure your car is completely unlocked. This simple step ensures the mechanism is disengaged and ready for access. It's a quick check that saves you any frustration. Once unlocked, you're ready for the next step. To open the fuel door, simply press firmly on its rear edge. You'll feel a slight give, and then the door will spring open just a little bit. This indicates that the internal latch has released successfully. Now, you can easily pull the fuel door fully open with your fingers. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience, allowing quick access to your fuel tank opening. With the fuel door open, it's time to remove the gas cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise until you hear several distinct clicks, usually 3 or 4. These clicks confirm the cap is fully loosened. Once it's loose, pull the cap straight off. You'll notice it's attached by a tether, so simply place it securely into the designated holder on the inside of the fuel door. After refueling, replace the gas cap by turning it clockwise. Continue turning until you hear at least 3 clear clicks. These clicks are crucial. They ensure the cap is properly sealed, preventing fuel vapors from escaping and keeping your emissions system happy. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches securely into place. You'll hear a soft click as it locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.